From outside, this shipping container house could pass for a stack of shipping containers. The house has been built using a mix of shipping containers and locally available materials. The house is located in a tropical climate which takes advantage of the sun, the rain, and the coastal neighborhood. That's a view of the house from another angle. You will appreciate the amount of vegetation and greenery around the house. The roof elevated above the shipping containers is to provide shade, and also its elevation is to allow for unlimited circulation of cool breezes to enhance indoor thermal comfort. From outside, this house is very deceiving, but once you step inside the house is where the magic stays. This is a view of the living area. You'll appreciate the level of furnishing and finishing both on the floors and even on the walls. The view of the living area showing the ceiling fans, the pendant lighting, the indoor plants, and also the quality of furnishing is quite impressive. The view of the same, the interior of the house is a total opposite of what you'll see on the outside. A view of the living area showing the kitchen in the background. You'll also notice the quality of lighting fixtures used is quite impressive. The view of the kitchen, I like the use of concrete counters. It's a nice finish. It is quite resistant to abrasion, and it is also low maintenance. A view of the kitchen showing the stainless steel appliances, the high level lighting from the glass blocks, and the big openings that can slide wide open to allow cool breezes into the indoor space. A view of the kitchen showing the counter space, a beautiful space for a breakfast bar, and you'll notice the use of concrete finishes even on the pedestal. A view of the lounge area. You notice the full height glazing that allows in maximum daylighting. The glazing can also open wide to allow for cross breezes to cut through the house and enhance cross ventilation. The view of the courtyard area around the building to create a microclimate and enhance cross ventilation, and also to maximize on daylighting. A view of one of these bed spaces. You'll notice the bed area, the beautiful ceiling, the wall mounted main split system. We also have a reading table and chair. A closer view of the same bedroom, high quality of finishes. This is a view of the bathroom area, nice wall tiles. A view of the bedroom that we just looked at showing the reading table. This is a closer view of the sink area. You'll notice the innovation and the improvisation of the same using the available materials. That's a concrete molded wash and basin. It's a view of the concrete molded wash and basin. The bathroom area showing the wall tiles and the toilet. It's a view of the bedroom. This is another bedroom in the house. You'll notice the full height glazing that can slide open to allow for cross ventilation and direct indoor-outdoor interaction. The view of the bedroom is the main bedroom showing this lounge area, the reading table, the closet. The same view of the bedroom. This is a view of the outdoor living space with the hammock. You'll notice it is also shaded to keep it a space away from direct elements. It's a view of the outdoor space showing the bedroom in the background. A closer view of the outdoor space. Notice the use of locally available materials, the bamboo, and also the furniture is handmade. A view of the same outdoor space, a view of the bedroom on the lower level of the house on the ground floor, opening directly onto this courtyard space with outdoor dining and sitting areas. A view of the bedroom area, a view of the outdoor living space, ideal for outdoor dining. There's a hammock to just soak in good weather and cool breezes. A closer view of the hammock. This is a nice outdoor shower. Notice the quality of finishing around the same, quite commendable. A view of the outdoor space, that is a spiral staircase connecting the lower and the upper story of the house. There's a general view of the courtyard space showing the outdoor shower, the general view of the structure from outside. So you'll notice this kind of innovation brings out the beauty of building with shipping containers. This house is listed for sale. I think it was last updated on 15th of August 2024 and is going for 230,000 US dollars. Would you buy this amazing house for the listing price? Yeah, tell us what is your opinion. Come again, do that by posting in the comment section below. If you like this house, let us know what impresses you the most, and if you don't, please share the same in the comment section. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.